everybody. Today I want to tell you how make this tote bag with the granny squares that we made in the previous videos. At the first, you must connect the motifs together with any tutorials you like or you want. I will teach you this pattern of motif connection that I like it very much. It's so beautiful. After that, you linked all of the squares by this pattern. You must make back handle. For the back handle, first of all, you must make one row of double crochet in the top of the bag. Okay, start from where you want and make one double crochet on the each double crochet you had, and in the two chain spaces you made three double crochet, and then one double crochet in the next stitches, and here between three square you must make the double crochet together. Look, one double crochet in here, one double crochet in two of these linked chains, and one double crochet in the chain space, and crochet all four loops on the hook together, and one double crochet in the each next stitches, and three double crochet in the two chain space, and one double crochet in the next stitches, and here you must one double crochet in the chain space, one double crochet around the two linked spaces, and one double crochet in the chain space, and pull through all of the loops you have on your hook. And for the other side, do the same, and then reach here you must one double crochet on the first double crochet, and one double crochet in the second double crochet, and then you must make chain as long as you want your back strap. Make 100 chains, and then one double crochet in the second, a double crochet in the chain space, and then one double crochet in the each next double crochet, and one double crochet in a stitch before the center stitch, and one double crochet around these double crochets that we made together, and one double crochet in the next stitch, and pull through all of three loops that we made on the hook. And for the other side, do the same, and again that we made that we received here, make one double crochet in the each chain that we made, and do it to the other side, and in the corner again one double crochet here, and one double crochet around the three double crochet that we made together, and one double crochet in the next stitch, and make three together. And this is the handle bag, and let's go to show you how make these linked crochet. I'm gonna crochet by the green color that you can see much better. Make a slip knot on the hook, and start from the chains that we made in the corner. We had two chains, and start in the second chain, and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. Then bring the hook out and go to the chain space from the next square and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. Then go back to the first square, and in the next stitch we have one slip stitch, and then go back to the second square and go to the next stitch and make a slip stitch. First square, slip stitch, second square, slip stitch. We're gonna do this one by one of the stitches in the both squares. Do it until the end. Look, this is the one of the beautiful method for the linked squares together, and I like it so much. And also you can use the any patterns or any methods you want or you like. Then what we gonna do, put the hook inside the stitch and make a slip stitch. This is a simple and beautiful pattern. I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. I almost received the end. In the end, put the hook inside the first chain in the chain space, and in the next one here. And if you want to link with the two more squares, make a chain and then link to the other squares. Put the hook here and make a slip stitch, and next one, hook in the corner and do it. And then when you receive the end of the squares, you must cut the yarn and start from another line. And for the all of the squares you must do the same. For the back handle, 3 chain as 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next stitches, receive into the 3 double crochet that we made in the chain space, we must make our bag handle. We're gonna make chains as long as we want our length of bag handle must be. I make 100 chains for the bag handle. And make double crochet in the second double crochet that we made in the 2 chain space. And 1 double crochet in the next each stitches. In the corner, make a half double crochet and then pull through 4 together and 1 double crochet in the next stitches. And 1 double crochet in the first of the 3 double crochet in the 2 chain space and make 1 double crochet in the second double crochet and then make 100 chain. And 1 double crochet in the second double crochet in the 2 chain space. And 1 double crochet in the each next stitches until the corner. 1 half double crochet join with the slip stitch in the first and pull through 2, then 1 2 3 chain at 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and pull through 2 and 1 double crochet in the next stitches. One double crochet in the each chain that we made. Do it until the end. Now for the bag lining, we need some fabric. The fabric on the table and then place the bag on it. With a pen, we mark around the bag with a distance of 3 millimeters. Make line all around the bag. Other side. Then cut it by the scissors. Now we sew the side seam with the sewing machine. After that, we must place the bag lining, insert the bag perfectly, and we place the side seam against the side of the bag by half centimeters from the top and fix it by the pin to the bag. And we place this other side seam against the side of the bag and pin it from half a centimeter from the top. We connected the lining of the bag with a pin in the same way. Connect the other side of the bag with a pin in the same way. And sewing by the needle or by the sewing machine all around the fabric to the bag. I'm sewing the bag lining into the bag, and now I want to uh, place the button. You can use any button you have or you like. I gonna use these magnet buttons. Please center of the top of the bag and start to swing with the needle. Sewing all around the button. And for the other side, I place the other button to this side and then close the bag. Put them together and then pull up the button and start to sewing it. Swing all around. This is our Halloween's bag. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and make it for yourself or your children. If you enjoyed this, please do subscribe, like and comment below. In previous videos, I have taught you how to make these squares. This one, this one, this one, and this pumpkin. Now you can watch them on previous videos. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. Happy Halloween. Goodbye.